Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the easy stock indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the easy stock indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 331 indicators, and out of those 331 indicators, 136 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 136 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is the easy stock indicator. You can see it here on screen, and even though it is called the easy stock indicator, the creator of the indicator said that it could be used for things other than just stock. And so the setup on this is pretty easy. When we get a sell signal, we go short. When we get a buy signal, we go long. And so they are tagged here with these labels, sell and buy. So really, really simple setup, not too much to it at all. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing process and see what we can get out of this. Looks like we pick up a buy signal right here on this one. We do not get to take profit though. Then we pick up a sell signal right there on that one. Also not getting us to take profit. And then a buy signal right there on that one, which does get us to take profit. All right. Moving along here. And so initially, whenever I looked at this indicator, it seemed like maybe we should be taking specific signals depending on where price action was in relation to the blue line. So if it was above it, maybe we should be taking only buy signals. And if it's below it, maybe only sell signals. But it didn't seem like the creator made any indication that that's how it should be traded. It pretty much literally says just follow the buy and sell signals. And so that's how we are going to test it this time and see what we can get out of it. We may end up let's see here. We may end up testing this one another way. It's a shame because it throws a buy signal right there, which would have closed us out of our sell. That would have taken a profit. So technically it would have been a winning trade, even though we didn't quite hit take profit. So interesting little dilemma it gives us there. We pick up a sell right there on that one. Looks like that one gets us to take profit. I don't think it got us stopped out. Nope, it did not. There we go. Alright, continue on with it here. Pick up a buy signal right there. That one looks like it gets us stopped out. Just double check here. Yep, it sure does. Getting us stopped out there. Continue on with it now. See, it picks up these clusters of buys and sells all in the same kind of general area, which is a little problematic, it seems like. Just throws like random sell signals, or I guess random signals in general. Interesting signals this thing is giving. That was something curious right there. Let's go back, see if we can get this to go back for us here. Alright, so I jumped back just a little bit here because I thought that I seen a glimpse of a signal that popped up for just a moment, and then it disappeared. Yeah, sure did right there. It doesn't appear as though it actually, displayed it on the bar close, and so yeah, that was interesting. I just wanted to make sure that I saw that correctly. Anyways, I'm going to continue forward here. So we pick up a buy right here on this one. I wouldn't necessarily call that repainting. That's kind of what I was looking for, was whether or not it repainted. But if it would have been there like this on the bar close and then disappeared, 2, 3, 4 bars later, then I would consider that kind of repainting. But I don't think, it was just a small glitch where, the system was just trying to figure out whether or not that signal was actually valid or not. And so, yeah, that was strange, but nonetheless, we'll continue on. I'm actually going to cut a little bit of the video out here so that way it doesn't get any longer than it needs to be, and I'll pick this up when we get closer to the end of the year. All right, so we are almost to the end of the year now. Looks like we have just a couple signals here. So we pick up a buy signal right there. Pretty quickly get stopped out right there with a sell. And yeah, it doesn't look like we pick up another signal for the rest of the year. All right, so before we count these out, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon-only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. Once you sign up, you'll get access to the Patreon-only channel on our Discord. On the Patreon-only channel, we're posting a lot of good advanced information. We also have a rather lengthy list of the winning indicators for the MT platforms that our admin Jay has put together. Done a really good job of tracking down, like I say, quite a bit of the winning indicators for the MT platforms. So if you use the MT platforms quite a bit, then that would be really handy list for you to get your hands on. The admins and the regular members are posting almost daily trade analysis as well. They're posting screenshots of charts with markups, support and resistance, where you should be entering and exiting and taking profit, the whole bit. really, really great information. If you're looking to dial in a trading strategy or just kind of learn to train your eye to look for those ideal market conditions, that is some really, really valuable information that they're putting out there. And here recently, I've also gotten with another member of the Discord channel, Patreon, and he's going to start doing a little bit more thorough testing of the winning indicators that we have already tested. And so we're going to start running those through at least a 100 trade test to really put them to a standard and make sure that they uphold or can withstand lengthier testing process. And so that is something I will eventually start doing videos on, but as a patron, you will get sneak peek, first glance view of that information, and you won't have to wait for the videos to come out on that. So exclusive, information, exclusive material for you before the videos start on that subject, which will be still a good while away. So like I said, very valuable stuff in there. All right, so back to the indicator here. This indicator was really strange. It's giving some really odd signals. Let's count them out and see what it did here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. So we have 26 trades altogether. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 winning trades. And so that's not going to get us anywhere near the 60%, the 60% criteria that we are looking for. And so, like I said, this was a rather weird indicator, giving some really strange signals and doing some weird stuff. And so this one's definitely going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.